Hi everyone, this is Scott. I hope you're all right. This week I'm going to design a slightly retro waffle maker. I'll go through my whole process, from thumbnail sketches to final rendering. For tools, I'll use Procreate, but you could use whatever works for you. Before I start sketching, I'll gather two types of photo reference. Photos of waffle makers will show me the basic proportions and help me identify all of the key features. This way I know my final concept will look like it actually works. For fun, I also grabbed this photo of a vintage tractor. I'll use it to develop my design's unique style. I'll use three types of sketching to finish this drawing. Quick thumbnails to work out the basic forms, then detailed problem-solving sketches to develop the concept. Finally, I'll finish with hand rendering to make the design look three-dimensional and help viewers imagine it in the real world. I want to show the waffle iron in two poses, open and closed. To keep things consistent and to save a little time, I'll recycle my first sketch. Then I'll just sketch what I need for the second pose. The color scheme is bright but very simple. Almost the entire rendering is red, even the gray parts. They're just desaturated. That's red that's been thinned out with lots of black and white. The waffle and one of the indicator lights are both rendered with the same orange hue, and the other indicator light is green. That's all the colors I use for the entire rendering. I like my brushstrokes to be visible. By wrapping them around the form instead of painting them in any old direction, I reinforce the perspective and help the forms look three-dimensional. There we go. The final design doesn't look like a tractor, but you can see several details that I borrowed from my reference photo. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you next week.